Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a Kalamkari jhumki. Take a jhumki base and apply glue on it. Spread the glue with the help of a finger or with a brush. Place the Kalamkari material on the jhumki base. Stick it perfectly on the jhumki. Tie a knot with the remaining Kalamkari material with the help of a rubber band. Let it dry for half an hour and remove the rubber band. Apply glue to the inner walls of the jhumki. Cut the excess Kalamkari material. Stick the remaining Kalamkari material to the inner walls of the jhumki. Take an eye pin and put a hole to the Kalamkari material. Cut the excess eye pin with the help of the cutting plier. Make the remaining eye pin into a knot. Add the earring hook into the knot. Close the hook perfectly. Decorate the jhumki with bead chain and stone chain. Let it dry for another half an hour and it is ready to wear.